How to unblock websites on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can unblock websites on your iPhone quickly and easily. So if you are running into restriction while browsing, don't worry, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's open Safari app. For example, if I try to access YouTube, I will get this error that you cannot browse this page at youtube.com because it is restricted. This means the website is blocked on my iPhone. But no worries, we will fix it by adjusting a few settings. Now to unblock the site, head to the Settings app. From here, simply scroll down and tap on Screen Time. And now in this section, simply scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restriction. And in this section, you can see the option labeled App Store, Media, Wave, and Games. Simply tap on that. And in this section, simply tap on the option labeled Web Content. And in the Web Content section, you will see options like Limit Adult Websites, Unrestricted Access. If YouTube or any other sites is listed under Never Allow, just swipe left to it and hit Delete. And alternatively, you can set Web Content to Unrestricted Access to allow all the websites. And for the permanent solution, you can go back and just toggle off Content and Privacy Restriction entirely. And just keep in mind that this will remove all the restriction, so do this only if you are comfortable with it. And now that we have adjusted the settings, let's test it out. I'll open Safari again and try visiting YouTube. And there you go. It works perfectly. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked websites on your iPhone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.